Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your expertise in the Worldpackers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the smiling face button at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and at the settings section, click on the community button. And then click on the my expertise button. And here you can set all the things that you want to share with this application, so anything that interests you, and then just click on the save button and they are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.